Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an error F103. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So the bad news is that this is one of those weird electronic errors with the Smart House bus link that is throwing up some kind of fault, or it's sensing that it's incompatible. And it's going to be hard for you to fix without calling a technician to get into the brains of the machine and everything like that. I would not recommend it. However, before you spend the money and the time and everything like that to call your technician, just like a computer, these modern machines, sometimes they start just acting up and you can't figure out why. And just doing a hard restart on the machine will get everything working again. So I'd recommend doing that first. So how you do that is you're just going to turn the machine off, unplug it from the wall, turn it off at the circuit, and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. Once that minute's up, then you can reconnect power, turn it back on, try to run a cycle, and see if this error doesn't not come back. And hopefully it won't. If it does, like I said, you're going to need to call a technician for this one. But sometimes the reset will clear it out. So anyways, I hope this helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.